Okay, morning guys. Today I'm going to use this other app because other one is not updating, so it is fine. Let's say lunch and tea, so we know exactly what we're doing. So guys, this is the UK Fortnite app. It's the one that has got the trim wheels. Let me start with the trim wheels before we go to calculations so that you guys can understand. So what you do, you open there and then you go to trim wheels. So when you go to trim wheels, you will have to select here. You press there, you say maybe 4 numbers, because I know people they want 4 numbers, but it will cost you. Then for example, we say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like 18, then you generate. You see it gives you what? 35 combinations. This is a pairing app that you guys must use. It's called 49s. It's a purple with the purple color, so it's easy to just download it from any Play Store. Okay, then we go back now, guys. This thing here, these totals here are called blue codes. You understand? They're called blue codes. So I'm trying to explain like each and everything that is in the book, because I did in the first book that I wrote this, I did teach people how to do the blue codes. So the blue codes is, let me show you something why we call this a blue code. We take previous results. For example, these results here, let me see, put the pencil there. These results here, you add them up, all these 5 numbers, they'll give you 110. Then after that, you add that 110 plus the bonus, it will give you 155. So this is how you do a blue code, 155. But UK Fortnite nowadays, they don't use these blue codes. They do maybe pick one number sometimes. So we also upgrade as the predators, you understand? So with my strategy, I'm using this. I'm going to take these last 2 numbers, which is 28 plus 30, then I'll say plus 55. You understand? It's 28 plus 30 plus 55. So let's go to the calculator and check. So what did we say there? We said it's where is the calculator? It's hiding. So there we go. We're going to say 28, so it's 28 plus 30 plus formula 55. We get 113, which means today our banker is 13. Because if the code says to us, if the code says 113, which means our banker today is 13. This number there, our banker is 13 or 31. Understand? So another thing is here, if you check, you can say 1 plus 13, you get 14. 1 minus 13, you get 12. The problem with these odd numbers, they're all spinnable. Can be 21, can be 41. You know, that's the disadvantage of spinnable numbers like 14 or 12, because they are spinnable. And then we're going to go to the second one, which is 25 and 31. I've already given you guys the banker, which is 13. So now I'm going to add. I'm also gonna do, because I used T. When I used T, it gave me 113. So now I'm gonna use lunch, just to have 2 different codes that can guide us. So it's 25 plus 31. Let's do this. We say 25 plus 31 plus 55. We get 111. So accurately now we are knowing that our banker is 11 and 13, because it's 113, it's 111. So today we have got 2 sure numbers that we know that they will drop on UK Fortnite, which is 13 and 11, or 13, 1. Then, because 13 is a spinnable number, you can also say 31 or what. We're going to go to the dream wheel after this, so we try to pair. At least I can try to pay 3 numbers for you guys today. You understand? If you say 1 plus 11, you're gonna get a 12. 1 minus that, you get a 10. There we've got a 14. They're going to hit consecutive numbers today. Then there's 11 there. So I think in the case we're in the right corner now, because of the 12 has dropped there. We're going to spin that 12 and make it 21. 13 has dropped there. We're going to spin that number and make it a 13. You understand? I think it's going to give us a nice correct answer there. Then there's a number that was skipped yesterday, 19. Instead of 19, they put 18. So which means 21 and 19 today they're going to drop. So let us go to the trim wheels. I'm doing this together with you guys so you can understand. So now we cancel this. It was an example. We go to 3 numbers. So our first number was 11. We have 1. We have 13. Then we have 14. Then we have 21. Then we have got a 19. So this is, if you want to pay more than this, it's okay, but I'm just giving you an example so that some of you guys who are still learning cannot go confused, you understand? So let's also say, but that should be the, let's say 41 there, just in case. We generate. Already now you see how many lines we have. We have 35 combinations, which is 35 rand, which everyone really can try to get that kind of voucher and play. Because this is what it is today. I don't know if there are any numbers that I must add, but this is what I see. If the banker is 11 or 13, one of those numbers must drop. I know, and I'm 100% sure that it will definitely land well into UK49. So yeah, guys, please keep on supporting, guys. Keep on supporting. I see you guys are not commenting, and you subscribe as well. You comment so I know exactly what you guys want. So after this, you can just write everything down, and then you are good to go. Another thing, let's go and check, verify our bankers. I think I've taught you how to verify bankers. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to add 2 plus 1 is 3. Then we say 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 3 is 10. 8 plus 4, that's a 12, which means this 12 is fired. 12, 21, like that. Then we say 2 plus 8 is 10. Plus 5, we get a what? 15. Then you say 3 plus 6 is a 9. Then you say 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 7, that's a 15. So which means this 15, there's a high chance of this 15 again to come back. You see how UK49 is doing? Because if a number, when we are tracking our bankers, if a number appears twice like 15, you know that that number is going to be on point. So please, guys, big up to all those who are focusing, who are trying to follow exactly what I do. So guys, I'm going to leave a comment in the first section, a link, I mean, in the first comment of the video. So you guys, if you still want to purchase the books, you are welcome. I'm giving you a combo for Christmas with 50% discount so that everyone can afford to have a book. You understand, guys? So yeah, thank you very much, and I really appreciate your support and your views. My mission is to make you guys win. If you guys win, then I'm happy, because we don't want loss, we need to. Yes, you cannot even win like every day, you know, because this is gambling, but we try, you understand? Because in gambling, it's a win or lose, but at least if you have strategies, it's much better because you know exactly what you are dealing with. But if you don't know nothing, you know, it's painful because you're going to just put numbers, they don't come, you know. Thank you very much, guys.